basically I want specialists, and we decided 4 targets. From these 4 we have 2 or 3?
2 at the moment.
3, we have 3. And until we don't have the 4th, we are still working hard. To speak about one manager, one club, one, I don't like the word, but one enemy, I hate the word in football and in life, I don't think is right in this country. One thing is you are in a competition like I was in Spain, which was a 2 horses race. Now it's become 3, but at that time was just 2. Or when I was in Italy, was 3 teams fighting for the title. Then makes sense that kind of approach. In the Premier League doesn't make sense. Doesn't make sense at all, because if you focus too much in one team, in one opponent, the other ones will be laughing. There are some managers that the last time they won a title was 10 years ago. Some of them, the last time they won a title was never. The last time I won a title was 1 year ago. It was not 10 years ago, 15 years ago, it was 1 year ago. So if I have a lot to prove, imagine the others. You know how many young players I promote to the first team from academies?
You tell us.
49. I never promote players because of a need. I did it because of conviction and decision. And the second factor is that last year was the only season of my career that I was not fighting for the title. Because in every other season, winning or finish second or even third, I finished third once, I was fighting for the title until the last moment. So it was never a situation of stability and no pressure to promote young players. I did 49, and some of them, we are speaking about big names. We are speaking about players that today, for example, they are Champions League winners, players that are in the Euro, players that are playing for national teams. And 49 is a lot. So once more, one lie repeated many times, sometimes it looks that is true, but will be always a lie. The job Ryan wanted is the job that the club decided to give me. It's not my fault. Ryan wanted to be Man United manager. The club wanted to give him any job, any important job in the club. He made a decision where you need to be brave, because it's not easy. It happened with myself. I was in Barcelona in 2000. I had a contract for 2 more years to be assistant. Do you think it was easy for me to leave such a big club, such good stability, and decide let's go to a new fight? It was not easy. And for Ryan, it's not just the step of going from assistant manager to manager, it's also the step of leave his house. 29 years is not 29 days, so he was brave, he was honest. So, good luck. It's normal that a player at this age change a little bit, but there is something that will never change, which is the appetite, the natural appetite to put the ball in the net. So maybe he's not a striker anymore, maybe he's not a number 9 anymore, but with me he will be never a number 6. He will be never somebody playing 50 meters away from the goal. You can tell me his pass is amazing. Yes, his pass is amazing, but My pass is also amazing without pressure. There are many players with a great pass, but to be there and to put the ball in the net is the most difficult thing you have to find. So for me, it will be a 9, it will be a 10, it will be a 9.5, but not a 6, not even an 8. Bring the umbrella. And yesterday I couldn't believe that was raining.